You've just got your HP SmartTank 7301 printer and want to connect it to Wi-Fi? You're in the right place. Setting up wireless printing is easier than you might think, and with the HP Smart app, the entire process only takes a few minutes. In this video, I'll guide you through each step to connect your HP SmartTank 7301 printer to your Wi-Fi network quickly and easily. If you need help at any point, simply call the numbers on your screen for one-on-one assistance. Now, let's get your printer connected.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
On your printer's control panel, press and hold the information button for about 3 seconds until all the buttons on the panel start flashing. This puts your printer into setup mode. Now, press and hold the Wi-Fi and cancel buttons together until the power and Wi-Fi button starts flashing. This indicates your printer is ready to connect a wireless network. Now, grab your smartphone and download the HP Smart app if you don't have it already. Once it's installed, create a new HP account or sign in to your existing one. If you need help downloading the app or setting up your account, don't worry, I've got separate videos linked down in the description for those. You can pause this one and check those out anytime. After setting up the HP Smart account, navigate to the app's home screen and select Add Printer. Choose the New Printer option from the displayed menu. Locate the HP SmartTank 7300 series in the list and select it to begin setup. Allow the app for a few seconds to automatically scan and identify your Wi-Fi network. Just give it a moment to complete the scan. When your Wi-Fi network appears, enter your password carefully, then select Continue. The app will now instruct you to press the blinking information button marked with an eye on your printer's control panel. Head over to your printers and press that button now. After your printer connects to Wi-Fi, return to the app and select Continue. Review the printing services information displayed and select Accept All Continue. If requested, install the paper and ink cartridges as instructed, then select Done. Your HP SmartTank 7301 printer will now display at the top of the app's home screen, indicating successful setup and readiness to print wirelessly.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.